Nurses, welcome to Nurses Today YouTube channel. Today we are posting another important new recruitment video that is from Government of Andhra Pradesh Medical and Health Department Nellore district. Government of Andhra Pradesh recruiting of certain posts under administrative control of NHM Nellore on contract basis. Government of Andhra Pradesh Nellore district recruiting various posts such as staff nurses on contract basis, lab technician on contract basis, and data entry operator on outsourcing basis, and lost gate services on outsourcing basis. From that, we are going to see the staff nurse post on contract basis. The total number of posts is 60, and the essential education qualification for the staff nurse post is GNM course from government or government recognized nursing institute, must be registered in the Andhra Pradesh Nursing Council with minimum 3 years of experience in government or private sector. The remuneration pay is rupees 22,500 per month. For the post of lab technician, totally 18 posts are they are recruiting. The essential educational qualification and experience for the post of lab technician is 12th science or diploma or certified course in medical lab technology or equivalent, and registered in Andhra Pradesh Council or inter-occasional with 1 year apprenticeship from government institution. And the annual monthly remuneration pay for the post of lab technician is rupees 19,019 per month. Guidelines and instruction for filling up the application. The mode of application is an offline mode. Once the application is completed and it's sent directly to the district medical and health officer Nellore from 22nd September to 30 September 2021 by 5 pm. In between the working hours of 10:30 am to 5 pm. Along with the application form, the candidate must submit SLC or equivalent examination mark memo, an intermediate or 10+2 examination mark memo, qualifying examination pass certificate, and mark memos of all the years that is qualifying examination. For example, GNM candidate should submit all the mark sheets and registration and renewal certificate of respective council, an internship certificate if any applicable, and latest caste certificate issued by the Tahsildar or MRO concerned, and study certificate for the years of 4th class to 10th class. In case of private study resident, certificate from Tahsildar concerned from the above period, and PH certificate those the candidate are claiming reservation under PH quota, and sports certificate in respect of candidate claiming under sports quota, and relevant certificate in respect of candidate claiming ex-serviceman quota, and one photograph duly pasted on the application form with self-attestation. And the application fees is rupees 800 for OC candidate and rupees 500 for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe or BC or PH candidate. The application fees should be paid the way of demand draft from any nationalized bank in the favor of DM and HO Nellore payable at Nellore. And the total marks is 100, and the weightage is total mark is 100, and the eligibility criteria for the age is on 31st August 2021, and the maximum age limit shall not exceed 42 years, and minimum age limit as mentioned above is subject issue from the order from the government. And the age relaxation is for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe and BC candidate is for 5 years, for physically challenged person it is for 10 years, and for ex-serviceman it is for 3 years. And the weightage is a criteria aggregate of marks obtained in the years of qualification examination, that is 75% of the total marks. And the weightage for experience from the government service including contract or outsourcing services up to 15%. In that 2.5 marks per 6 months in tribal area, 2 marks per 6 months in rural area, and 1 mark per 6 months in urban area. In case the candidates had done any COVID-19 duties during the pandemic, 5 marks per 6 months, and 10 marks per 1 year, and 15 marks per 1 year 6 months. And weightage for number of years since passing the qualification examination is up to 10 marks at 1 mark per completed year after acquiring requisite qualification. And then the selection will be done based on the following criteria, such as merit list will be prepared based on the marks obtained in the qualifying examination and year of passing, and work experience in the respective field area for respective categories and displayed on the website for transparency. Selection list will be prepared. The finalized merit list duly followed on the rules of reservation of presidential order. This is given by Dr. S. Rajalakshmi, District Medical and Health Officer, SPSR, Nellore District. Dear nurses, please check the description link and there will be a link to download the application form. Once you fill the application, you need to send directly to the District Medical Officer, Nellore District. So, dear nurses, from the team of Nurses Today, we wish you all the very best and thank you. Have a nice day.